What can we learn from the first vision? There are many significant things. I'd like to recommend 3. God knows our name, God commands us to hear his Son, and hearing is the foundation of the restoration. What was the very first thing that Joseph Smith learned in the first vision? That God knew him. The very first word that he heard from God was his own name, Joseph. I find it significant that of all the things that God could have revealed, he actually took the time to personalize his message for Joseph. God knows you. He knows you by name. It's one of the most important things that we might gain from the first vision, that God knows all of us by name and individually. So the next time when you're in prayer with God, know that he is your Father, and like Joseph Smith, he calls you by name. The second thing I think is significant that we get from the first vision is that God commands us to hear his Son. The God of the whole universe, who knows all things, gave the opportunity for his Son to speak, gave him the power and authority to speak, and gave the command to Joseph Smith and to all of us to hear the Son. And as we hear the Son, we receive the words of life. Indeed, Jesus is known as the Word. So as you embark on this new year of study, think to yourself, how can you do better at hearing him, just as God has commanded? Finally, this idea that the restoration is built on hearing God. And it's interesting that God didn't say, watch him or see him. It was hear him. Now, obviously, watching and seeing is important. It's important for us to follow the example of Jesus Christ and to watch how his life unfolded, that we might follow in his footsteps. But again, it's interesting that God the Father said, hear him. And if we think about the revelations that we find in the Doctrine and Covenants, they were given to Joseph Smith as an opportunity for us to hear the Word of God. What can we do to better hear the Word of God? Make time and space to listen, to not be distracted, to turn off devices, to find a quiet place where you can truly focus on hearing God in your heart, in your mind, and knowing for yourself that you are his child, that he will call you by name and will deliver to you the truth, the grace, and the love that is requisite in your life to help you carry on the covenant path.